Hi there, this is Steven Schwager from the Marin Art and Garden Center. The Marin Art and Garden Center is an 11-acre, non-for-profit public garden located in Ross Valley, California. Today we're going to talk about foraging in your own backyard to create a Thanksgiving tablescape. With COVID keeping a lot of things on lockdown still, maybe your event's going to be smaller this year, maybe you're not able to reach a florist, or maybe you just want a do-it-yourself project. So we're going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to divide the different sort of items that you might want to look at differently into 5 categories. The first category is fruit. We have a tremendous persimmon tree, and every year I look forward to harvesting some fruit to create a tablescape of my own. I've done this every year for the past 5 years, and I'm really excited to do it and show you how it's done. So let's get going. Oh my God, somebody stole all our persimmons! This is a good reminder, people. You don't go foraging in other people's backyards without permission, and you definitely don't go foraging in public parks, public gardens, or other public spaces at all. The beauty is here for all of us to enjoy. Luckily, I have my nice tall ladder, and I'll be able to get the fruit that the thieves couldn't reach. And yes, I do have somebody assisting me with this. It's never safe to get on a tall ladder without somebody help stabilize it, and also he's helping me collect the persimmons. So I think we have enough persimmons. Let's go look at something else for right now. We've got a gorgeous prickly pear that's just brimming with fruit. Here's our prickly pear plant. Try saying that 3 times fast. It's got delicious fruit. The color's just perfect for this time of year. The only caveat is you really need to wear gloves, heavy-duty gloves, when you're picking it. The fruit has tiny little hairs on it, and if you get those embedded in your skin, it is painful and they are very difficult to remove. We're going to head over to the edible garden now, where we are going to explore the next category, which is vegetables. This late in the season, we don't have too much to harvest. However, we do have some pumpkins that have just recently ripened, and we still have some nice squash. It's a trambutin squash, and they're in these lovely long shapes and these beautiful neutral colors, which are really great for the holiday table and make the oranges and other autumn colors really stand out. The next category of foraged items we're going to take a look at are grasses. This first grass is Calamagrostis, and it's also known as Karl Forester grass. So what I do to test if a grass is going to work on the table is I run my fingers along it to see if it sheds. If it doesn't shed, you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you Uli grass, otherwise known as Miscanthus. As you see when I run my fingers over this seed head, there's quite a lot of seeds that are blowing off. We don't want to use this because if it's happening now, it's going to happen on your holiday table, and there will be grass seeds blowing everywhere. So what could be more autumnal than berries? So berries are our next category. Here's a beautiful hawthorn berry. It's got a nice orangey red color, perfect for the Thanksgiving table. We have other berries growing here. This particular berry is on a native plant. We want to save this berry for the native wildlife, so we don't want to cut this berry off. We save the star of the centerpiece or tablescape for last, and that would be the flowers. We have some late blooming annuals here. We have zinnias, we have yarrow, and we have tithonia, and they will all be great in the centerpiece. So what I've done so far is I've created my Thanksgiving centerpiece or tablescape to the point where you can do it the day before. The pumpkins, the squash, the persimmon, the cactus pears, all of this is going to work out just fine and last overnight. So what we're going to do now is we're going to finish the arrangement off as you would a couple hours before the party. We're going to add the tithonia, we're going to add the yarrow, the zinnias, and then also some berries. So I hope you found your inner Martha Stewart today. This is Steven Schwager from the Marin Art and Garden Center here in Ross Valley, California, and I'm wishing you a happy and healthy Thanksgiving. Stay safe and visit our website. It's maringarden.org. We've got a brand new logo and a brand new layout, so it's super easy to navigate. If you have any questions, email them to gardentips@maringarden.org. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.